For 5 months, construction crews have been breaking ground on the new recreation center. That construction leaves about half of the building open, meaning there is less room and less equipment than usual. Students like John Hanna are noticing the lack of space.
Just kind of like really busy all the time, so there's always like not that much free room to do things, and it's always kind of packed.
Assistant Director David Hollinger says they are trying to use all the space they can.
The weights, equipment, basketball courts, the pool is available, group exercise classes. Again, we've really made every effort to try to maintain as many services as we could.
Another way of letting students be in touch with the rec center is with their new mobile app. That will let students know if the rec is busy. Some students don't think that's enough. According to the bursar's office, general fees give full-time students access to the recreation center. Some students say they are not getting those benefits. Hollinger says it depends on who you ask.
I still firmly believe that there's enough to do here, and we've kept enough available to get good value for tuition dollars that contribute to the rec center.
Though the construction is a pain, most will say it is worth it.
I think this is going to be a state-of-the-art facility, which is greatly going to improve our recruitment and retention for the university. So I think the short-term inconveniences will be for a long-term gain.
The Recreation Center will be fully operational in August 2014. Reporting for BG24 News, I'm Alexis Cook.